Okay, in this video, we're going to set up a stairway to go from the basement of this house to the first floor. I've already set up this kind of the stairwell here, 10 feet from core face to core face by 3 feet from wall face to wall face on the inside. So that's going to set I'm going to match up with the width of the 3-foot stairs. Okay. So I'm going to click on stair, and I'm going to choose the assembled stair residential closed on 2 sides. Okay. And then I'm going to go to edit type and check some settings here. The maximum riser height according to the residential code is 7 3/4 inches. So I'm going to change that to 7.75. The minimum tread depth, I'm going to actually set that for 9 inches. That will give me a 10-inch depth because the 9 inches doesn't include the bullnose or the overhang on the stairs. So I'm going to set that for 9, which will actually give me a 10-inch code stairs. Hit OK. And then I got to also come in here and make sure that that actual tread depth is set for 9 inches. Again, that'll give us a 10-inch stair. Okay. I'm going to come over here, click the midpoint of this wall, which is where the bottom of the stairs will be. Whoop. Let me escape out of there. We got to change, the base level is actually from the basement to the first floor. Got to change that first. Then we can come back in and lay out the stairs. Now what you want to do is actually drag past the end of the stairway. It will create all the steps and it'll stop. So I can go all the way out here, but it's still only creating steps to here. But we want to make sure we go past the end of the staircase, otherwise it won't reach the whole way from the basement to the first floor. Click, and we have our stairs there. Hit the green check mark. Then I put a sectional view through the center of the stairway here. I'm going to right click, go to view, and there's my stairway. And you can see it goes a little bit too far here. This is the wall to the stairwell. So I'm just going to click on this. I'm just going to move it over using the arrow key. Then I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to use the align tool. I actually want the stairs to align with the wall here. So I'm going to click the wall first with the align tool, and then the back of the stairs. I'm just going to lock that so it stays there no matter what adjustments if I have to make any to the stairs. Now another one of the codes is the head height from the bottom of the floor at the opening here to the stair below that has to be 6 feet 8 inches. So I'm just going to check that. I'm going to go to annotate aligned, and I'm going to put a dimension. Actually, I don't have a floor in here yet, so I'm going to go from the finished floor to the top of this stair. And that gives me 7 feet 8 inches. The floor has to go in there yet, so I have to subtract 10 inches from that. If I subtract 10 inches from 7 feet 8, I'm still over 6 feet 8. So I should be good. We'll come back and look at that after we put the floor in. But that's it. That's all there is to